Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Nurul Hani from 80117 b. In this video, I'm going to talk about ornamental fish trade and corals. Coral reefs are wonderfully alive natural ecosystems that are diversified underwater along with the developed structures of calcium carbonate. They are the most remarkable and splendid population in the tropical and subtropical areas. Small live colonies in shallow subtle marine waters with minimal nutrients are developed in coral reefs. Most coral reefs are made from stony corals consisting of polyps which live in groups together. Coral reefs are very essential for biodiversity, providing houses for 35,000 to 60,000 animal and plant species. Coral reefs becoming increasingly endangered due to human activities, which is pollution, overfishing, harmful fishing techniques, taking live corals for the aquarium business, mining coral for structural materials, and rising temperature of environment are just a few numerous ways that can harm reefs. Pollution is among the most dangerous to reefs. Dredging, coastal development, agricultural and deforestation activities, as well as seawater treatment plant operations can all resulting in land-based overflow and pollution discharges. Coral reefs are also can be damaged by leakage of fuels, antifogging colors, and coatings and other chemicals into the sea. Oil spills do not really show direct effects on corals as oil normally stays close to the sea surface and many of these leaks into the atmosphere in few days. When a spill happens during the spawning of corals, eggs and sperm might be destroyed while floating on the surface before fertilizing and dwelling. Oil pollution may not only affect the quality of water but also impact coral reproductivity and make it sensitive to other forms of disruption. Coral reefs are damaged in many locations if the aquarium and jewelry trade collects coral heads and brightly colored reef fish. Divers who are irresponsible or unable to trample on fragile corals may be harmful in various fishing methods. Dynamite or other powerful explosives are exposed to stunning fish from hiding places in blast fishing. This technique affects other species indiscriminately and allows corals to fracture and stress so much that they expel the zooxanthellae. This can lead to the destruction of huge portions of reefs. There are a few ways to protect coral reefs. The first one is recycle and dispose of trash properly. Coral reefs can be harmed by marine pollution. To minimize waste being flown or carried away into waterways and seas, properly dispose of rubbish in dustbin. The second one is minimize use of fertilizers for agricultural production to prevent nutrients from affecting water quality. The third one is be conscious when buying aquarium fish. Avoid buying live coral, and if you do buy a marine aquarium fish, be sure it was gathered in an environmentally friendly manner. Fourth, avoid wearing any sunscreen when diving or check the ingredient first to make sure it is safe for coral reefs. Fifth, do not touching any coral reefs when diving. The last one is avoid fishing or boating near coral reefs. Coral reefs will be damaged when they come into contact with items like anchors and fishing nets. In conclusion, coral reefs need to be protected because they play an essential role in the ocean cycle. For survival, many marine animals will rely on them. Various species of economically significant fish protecting coastal areas from storm waves are provided with nurseries. They are essential for both individuals and businesses. They bring food, jobs, and a major draw to the tourism sector, hundreds of trillions of dollars.